We all worry about the future, but don't worry about using the future in English. This video is going to make everything clear. It will. It will. Really. Today on Sterling Languages, I bring you the future. Simple, functional, easy ways to use the future in English. You may want to make a prediction to talk about the future. Chelsea will win the league. This is a guess. For guesses, when we don't know what is going to happen, we use will. I'll win the lottery one day. When we can see what is going to happen in the future, for example, a woman who is pregnant, then we use going to. She's going to have a baby. Sometimes the difference can be down to confidence. I'll win the lottery one day. This sounds like a guess, and so I don't sound confident of the outcome. Whereas I'm going to win the lottery one day, this sounds as if I can see the future happening before, and so has an air of confidence about it. For a timetabled future, for planes and for trains, we would use present simple. For example, we land at 6, or the train arrives at 4 o'clock. Plans are another important use of the future. And again, our use of them is based on certainty. If you are sure that something is going to happen, maybe because you have a reservation or a booking, or again, through confidence, then you would use present continuous. I'm playing golf on Friday. Or I'm seeing the dentist next week. I hate the dentist. For plans which are intentions, we use going to. I'm going to play golf next week. I don't have a reservation yet, but I have every intention of playing. Or I'm going to see the dentist next week. I'm going to phone and make an appointment. What? I promise. To offer to do something or volunteer, or to make a decision based on logical deduction, these are decisions made at the moment of speaking. For this use of the future, we use will. For example, I'll get the door. Again, I'll get you a drink. What would you like? That'll be Maria. You may want to show commitment or determination in what you're going to do in the future. For this, we use will. It could be policy. You'll be fully trained in induction. Or a threat. I'll get you. Or promises. I'll buy you that ring. I'll buy you that doggy. When using determination, we don't use the contraction. This adds emphasis in what you want to say. I will run the London Marathon. I will. Remember, languages are skills, so use it or lose it. Get practicing. For more simple, functional, skill-based language tips, my prediction is you are going to follow us on social media. Check our website for upcoming courses and events. Like and share this video, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sterling Languages. We are working languages.